What's up? Alright, what's up, guys? I'm back with another Spin Master Monster Jam video. And today I found two of the Spin Master Monster Jam trucks from Mix 3 Fire and Ice Singles. There are four trucks in this mix. There's Whiplash Fire, Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire, Bakugan Dragonoid Ice, and Northern Nightmare Ice. So they only had two out of the four, so the ones that I found were Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire and Northern Nightmare Ice. My friend Zach might help me find the other two, so yeah, so I got these for now. Which is awesome. I mean, I'm glad I'm, finding new stuff now. So, yeah. Alright, so we are going to start off with Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire. Alright, so here it is. Look how cool it looks. And there it is. Yeah. And also, for the first time, this is the first fire truck that I have with the new, molding of the roll cage. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Obviously the same Fire and Ice, or obviously the same, roll cage, tires, and chassis for the monster trucks from Team Fire. So yeah. After the turntable, we will do a graphics review of the truck. Alright, so here's the front end. It's got, like, flames for the grill. It's got like this burnt brownish maroon red. You can see it closely back here. It says Soldier Fortune Black Ops in orange. And then you got the tail lights on the side. It says Soldier Fortune Black Ops, Monster Jam Fire logo. You got the yellow, you got some flames, more of that red, American flag, and yeah, and same thing on this side. Pretty cool truck. I really like it. It's probably one of the best fire trucks that they've made. Right now I'd say my favorite Fire and Ice truck is Pirate's Curse, and this would probably be my second favorite, but I think Fire Whiplash might be my new favorite once I get it. I don't know yet. But yeah, there's that one. So here is the ice truck, and that is Northern Night. Alright, here is Ice Northern Nightmare. Obviously, for Team Ice, it's got the same exact bottom half. So yeah. I'm not really a customizer. So I don't know if I'll do body swaps in the future. But who knows? Maybe I will. But I'm not sure yet. Alright, so here is Northern Nightmare Ice. So let's take a look at the grill. It's printed in blue. Got the Ford F-150 headlights. MonsterJamCanada.ca right there. You got some leaves, or frozen leaves. You got some more frozen leaves right here, and then you got some icicles. It says Northern Nightmare. The graphics feel 3D on this truck, which is pretty cool. You got the Monster Jam Ice logo right there, more frozen leaves. On the tailgate it says Northern Nightmare with frozen leaves, MonsterJamCanada.ca right there. Then you got the other 3D graphics on this side. Then on the top it says 2012 Monster Jam World Finals Freestyle Champion. And with some ice there. So yeah, very cool. And Northern Nightmare was on Team Ice for the All-Star Challenge. I kind of... let me know in the comments below if you think Northern Nightmare should have ran this paint scheme at the All-Star Challenge, because if they were going to put it on Team Ice, they should have... I personally think it should have ran this paint scheme. So, yeah, that's just my opinion, though. Because... yeah, and I mean, I kind of think Whiplash should have been on Team Fire, because it could have ran, you know, the paint scheme that it got for the Spin Master Fire and Ice lineup. So yeah, but anyway, that's just my opinion. So yeah, so that was the unboxing and review of Soldier Fortune Black Ops Fire and Northern Nightmare Ice. Let me know in the comments below which of these two is your favorite. And as always, like, subscribe, comment, and stay tuned for more videos. Oh, and one more thing. Besides Red Hulk and Iron Spider that I just reviewed this afternoon today, these two trucks will also make their Sign Up Series debut and Sign Up Series number 22. Alright guys, until next time, peace out.